Hello students. So today we are going to do a very small topic, that is business goals. Now what is the meaning of goal? Goal is the target or the purpose for which business is conducted. So the purpose of business is not only to earn profits. What we always feel is that business is done to earn profits only. But the only aim or the only goal of business is not profits, but there are certain non-monetary goals also. Like there are two types of goals, as I said. First one is the monetary goals, that you can say profit. Okay, and second one is so monetary goals you can say as profit, but there are certain non-monetary goals also, like customer satisfaction, like goodwill. Okay, and these are the goals of the business. Now when we define what is business goal, we can say, or what is goal setting in business. So goal setting is establishing short or long term objectives, usually incorporating deadlines and quantifiable measures. Okay, so we are setting, what we are doing, we are determining, we are establishing either short term or long term objectives of the business. That is goal setting. We are establishing short term or long term objectives, usually incorporating deadlines. There are some deadlines in goals, and quantifiable measures. That means something which you can quantify, which you can express in terms of quantity. Okay, so this is what goal setting is. Now there are some importance why goal setting is done in the business. First is for ensuring appropriate performance, because what you have to do, what you are going to perform in the business depends upon the goals you have set. Second is ensures clarity of vision and purpose. It gives you vision or purpose for which you are doing the business. Then harmony towards goal and higher probability of achieving the goals. That means this is the second importance, that your vision and purpose will be clear, and then there will be harmony towards goal. Your goal will be very harmonious because you are working towards it, and there will be higher probability for achieving the goals. Third is allows you to be proactive instead of being reactive. Reactive means what? Once the environment changes or once the situation comes, when you are behaving according to the situation, that is reactive. But analysis of that, determining it in advance, and then preparing yourself that when this situation comes, how you are going to react in that particular situation, that is proactive. Okay, so these are the importance of goal setting. Coming next is the rules for goal setting. There are three basic rules for goal setting. First is goals need to be relevant. Means what? Something you should get, the benefit should be there. Okay, means it should be profitable enough. We should always set goals in terms of some profit, some benefit should be there in business. Second is goals need to be attainable. Goals need to be attainable means it should be set in such a terms that you are in a position, or you are capable of measuring and evaluating it. Okay, your performance should be measured and evaluated. So goals need to be attainable. Second is goals need to be achievable stretches. Whenever we set the goals should not be very high so that it is difficult for the people to achieve it or the employee to achieve it, and it should never be too low so that it is very easily achievable. Okay, people are not giving their putting their 100%, they are not effectively and efficiently working, and very easily goals are achieved. So it should neither be too high nor too low. And whenever goals are achieved, it gives the sense of satisfaction, a sense of achievement to the entrepreneur. So these are the three rules. Whenever we are setting rules, it should be very relevant in terms of profit or benefit it is giving. It should be attainable, means should be performed and evaluated. Attainable it should be, and it should be achievable, neither too high nor too low. Now the next topic is SMART goals. Now we have seen what is the importance of goal setting and what are the rules of goal setting. Now how a goal should be. So a goal should be very smart. Okay, so this is SMART goals. SMART. So this is SMART goals. What is the full form of SMART? First is specific. Okay, S for specific, M for measurable, then attainable, then relevant, and then time bound. So this is a SMART goal. So a SMART goal should be first specific. Specific means well defined and focused. Always when we fix our targets, when we make our goals, it should be well defined and focused towards our aim. Okay. Second, it is measurable. We should always have the goals measurable in quantitative terms, so that it will help in assessing our performance and then controlling the deviations. Okay, we can evaluate, we can assess our performance, and then we can see what the performance is and how much deviations are there, and then we can control it. So it should be measurable in quantitative terms. Then attainable. It should be realistic and achievable. It should not be too high or too low, as we have discussed earlier, that it should always be realistic, okay, which is easy, which is attainable, not very easy, but it should be attainable. Then it should be relevant. Relevant means what? Based on current condition and realities of business, whatever conditions are going on in the business environment, whatever changes are going on, based on that, and what realities is related with the business, so based on that it should be very relevant. And last one is time bound. Whenever we fix our goal, that should always be within a particular time we have to achieve it. So time frame or time bound goals should be there, so that we focus on it, because we have to attain our goals in a particular period of time. Okay, so these are what SMART goals is: specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound. When this keeping in mind these features, when goals are set, then only it will be achievable. But only formulating of goals is not important. Action is important after this. You fix your target, you fix your goal, but then you need to act on it. When you are acting on it, when action is there, then only you will get the desired results. So this is all about SMART goals. Next topic we'll do in the next video.